Welcome you all for the topic Guaranteed Emergency Credit Line COVID-19 Emergency Loan given by the banks and NBFCs on the guarantee of Government of India. And our Honorable Prime Minister has a biggest vision that our country should achieve the target of 5 trillion USD GDP by 2024. In this juncture, suddenly, because of a COVID-19 pandemic, there is a very low business and complete lockdown of the economy. Our government understood the seriousness of the situation and they came up with 20 lakh crore stimulus package for the revival of the economy in order to create demand, production and revenue for the people. One of such package is providing emergency credit loan for about 3 lakh crores. Who are all eligible for this loan? Existing MSME, non-MSME and Mudra loan are eligible for this loan. Sales for the financial year 1920 does not exceed 100 crores. Existing loan as on 29/2/2020 does not exceed 25 crores. The overdue of the loan as on 29/2/2020 does not exceed 60 days and GST registration is mandatory wherever GST is applicable. And the emergency loan is given for working capital purpose. And the scheme is valid up to 31st October 2020 or till the amount of 3 lakh crore is sanctioned by all the banks and NBFCs in India. How to calculate the eligible loan? We all know we have CCOD, term loan, ad hoc and working capital term loan. We have to add all these four, that will be called as an exposure of a borrower. 20% is multiplied on the exposure of the borrower. That is the emergency loan. The maximum amount shall not exceed 5 crores. The rate of interest for MSME and Mudra loan is 7.5%. The rate of interest for other priority businesses 7.5%. The rate of interest for non-priority business enterprises is 8% per annum. The emergency loan is given for a 4-year term. The first year, the 12 months will be holiday period. The borrower need not pay principal. The borrower can pay interest alone. The repayment starts from second year and it runs to the third year and it ends in the fourth year. And the EMI is done for 36 months. No processing charges is to be collected for the loan sanction under this scheme. No additional collateral shall be given by the borrower to the bank or NBFCs. Yes, the 100% of the loan given by the banks and NBFCs are guaranteed by the Government of India, and Government of India does not collect any guarantee charges from the borrower. We all have a question whether restructured accounts are eligible for the scheme. Yes, the restructured accounts are eligible for the scheme. We have all another question whether this emergency loan is a separate loan or is an extension of an existing loan. As we have CC separate, term loan separate, working capital term loan separate, ad hoc separate, the same way emergency loan also separate. Yes, it's time we have to move up. The article which I have prepared is based on the circular of Indian Bank. All the other banks will come up with a similar circular with different terms and conditions. I request you all please contact your respective banks and know about the facility given by them on this emergency loan. As this emergency loan facility is open till the allocated fund of 3 lakh crore is exhausted by all the banks and NBFCs in India. It's really very hard time. We all have to work hard in this difficult time and we have to stay and we have to revive our economy, revive our business, and we have to prove to the entire world that Indians are capable to bounce back from any kind of situation. And thank you one and all for this valuable opportunity. Thank you.